Here I'm going to show you the solution for solving the same problem using a non-financial calculator. So again, I'm not sure what individual calculators you have, so I'll use the same one but without using the cash flow buttons. So what we want here is essentially to find the present value of each of these cash flows. Now this one occurs in year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and this, since it's 0, I am ignoring that. So to find the present value of these cash flows, you need to find the present value of each of these cash flows. So you need to discount $1,500 by 1 plus the interest rate raised to 1, which is basically given to be 20% in this problem. So the present value of this $1,500 is going to be 1,500 divided by 1.2. Remember, 20% is 0.2, so you need to divide it by 1.2, not 1 plus 20. Okay, so the present value of 1,500 discounted at 20% is 1,250. Now we have to do this 4 times, so what I'm going to do is enter what we call the discount factors into memory, and then I'll simply add each one of them up. So the first year discount factor is 1.2, so I'm going to store it in memory location 1. Now you'll have to figure out how to do this in your individual calculators. Then I simply take the square of it. This is the discount factor for year 2, so I'm going to store it in location 2. I multiply this by 1.2. This is my discount factor for this cash flows, which is simply 1.2 raised to 3. So I'm going to store it here. Again, I multiplied by 1.2, and that's the discount factor for year 4. So I'll store it in location 4. So now I have stored the discount factors for all these 3, and I'm simply going to start discounting each cash flow and adding it up. So for the first year, you have $1,500 divided by, if you hit recall memory location 1, your discount factor is 1.2. So you have 1,500 divided by 1.2. And now I'm going to add this, but I'm going to put the calculation in brackets so that I can discount the second cash flow as well. So I click the open bracket sign, 3,000 divided by my second discount factor, which is 1.44, close the bracket and hit equal to. So what I've done here is I've added the discounted value or the present value of $1,500 in year 1 to the present value of $3,000 in year 2. Similarly, I will add the present value of $4,500 occurring in year 3. I close the bracket, hit the equal to sign, and I will add the present value of $6,000 occurring in year 4. Close the bracket, hit the equal to sign, and you get the same answer as you did when we used the inbuilt cash flow calculator. So again, if you look, option C is essentially 8,831, which is what we got, and that's what you need to select.